Hello, welcome to Tom's Kitchen. Now you might be wondering, what is Tom's Kitchen? Well, my name's Tom Chimiak. I'm an adult with PKU from England who's 28 and been on diet all of his life. Hello, it's me from the future realising that I haven't explained actually what PKU is. So PKU is an inherited metabolic disorder, which means that my liver can't break down too much protein. So I need to have a low protein diet. Vegetarian not by choice, so I can't have meat, can't have fish, can't have any of that sort of stuff. But I'm also vegan by choice out of animal rights concerns, and I'm wheat free because my body decided to give up on me in that way. So PKU is sticking to a low protein diet with medicine 3 times a day, and the idea is that a lot of the food comes on prescription, hence why we're doing this cooking. And this is my kitchen, and what we do here every fortnight is we do PKU live cooking streams. The idea with that is I have no preparation, I make dishes real time in front of you. You can chat in the comments and that sort of thing, I answer questions, build a community, and the whole point is I'm not particularly good at cooking. I don't claim to be a chef, I'm a filmmaker and a lecturer first of all, so I'm not a chef. But I wanted to improve my cooking skills about 3-4 months ago to embrace my diet a bit more and have a bit more variety within what I eat. So I thought, what better way of learning how to cook than cook in front of strangers for every week, but now it's every fortnight, real-time cooking, where things can go wrong. I've had fire alarms go off, I've filled up my smoothie maker too much, things have turned out not correctly. The whole point is that mistakes happen in the kitchen, and that's why I cook in a real kitchen. This is my working kitchen, and I make the food that I'd want to make, but also you can come along for the journey and learn a bit about it, but also ask questions and just embrace PKU a bit more. So if that sounds like fun, then click subscribe and you'll get notified every time that I do a live stream. Mostly they happen every Sunday, every fortnight, but that can change. So if you subscribe, then you'll be able to notify yourself of when one happens. So yeah, thank you for your time. Any questions, you are more than welcome to kind of contact me through my social media channel somewhere around here that I'll put on screen. Yeah, so thank you for your time. This is Tom's Kitchen. I hope you come and join us on one of the live streams one time. Cheers guys, bye.